Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all will good. Today I am telling you about UK state pension. Yes, government.uk state pension. Calculating state pension credit eligibility claiming and differing. Find out about the state pension. The new state pension. Content eligibility. You will be able to claim the new state pension when you search state pension age. If you are a man born on or after 6 April 1951, a woman born on or after 6 April 1953. If you are if you were born before these rules do not apply. Instead, you will get the basic state pension. You may also get additional state pension. This guide is also available in Welsh, Samraj, and easy read format. Your national insurance record. You will need 10 qualifying years on your national insurance record to get any new state pension. A qualifying year is one in which you were following and made national insurance contribution. Getting national insurance credit, for example, if you are unemployed, it, it will if you are unemployed or a parent or carrier paying voluntary national insurance contribution. You might also qualified you might also qualify if you are lived or worked abroad or paid reduced rate national insurance of for major women. Sorry, national insurance for married women. The qualifying year on your national insurance record affect how much state pension you get. Check your state pension forecast to see what you might get when you reach state pension age. If you retire or move abroad, you can claim state pension abroad if you are paid enough national insurance contribution to qualify. How much you will get might be affected if you are retired or move abroad. Your spouse or civil partner's pension. Your new state pension is usually based on your own national insurance record. In some cases, you might inherit state pension or increase if there a spouse or civil partner. Next, you will get view a partnership version of whole guide, related content, explore topic, and other. And next topic is the basic state pension. The basic state pension. Who gets the basic state pension? Everyone eligible for the basic state pension has now reached state pension age. To get, if you are need to enough national insurance qualifying years, you also need to be either a man born before 6 April 1951, woman born before 6 April 1953. If you were born or on or after this date, you will claim the new state pension. Instead, you will get you you will have already claimed your basic state pension unless you deferred your state pension. This guide is also available in Welsh Sermon. Your national insurance qualifying year. A national insurance qualifying year is one in which you did one or more of the following, which worked and paid national insurance, got national insurance credits. For example, you were unemployed, sick, or a parent or carrier. Paid voluntary national insurance contribution. Number of qualifying year you need. The number of national insurance qualifying year you need to get any basic pension depends on your circumstances. If you are a man, usually need a qualifying year if you were born between 1945 and 1951. 11 qualifying year if you were born before 1945. If you are woman, you usually need a one qualifying year of if you were born between 1950 and 1953. 10 qualifying year if you are born before 1950. That is the video today. I tell you, hope you will get more information about UK pension. If you get any information, so please kindly like, subscribe and comment on our videos and subscribe our channel. So see you next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.